Okay, so this video is going to be about our brand new 2021 KZ Sportsman 303 RL, which is for rear living. This does have 3 slides. There's a living room slide. On the other side there's a wardrobe slide and a kitchen slide. And this is our pass-through storage, which I know it's a little dark. The motion light is turned off at the moment. But our Blackstone griddle, and then this compartment is for our battery and the shut-off switch. And then you go around here to the front, and this is where we're going to keep our chairs and our little rafts and our life jackets and stuff like that. Basically our recreational play stuff. That is for the jacks. I have the Andereson hitch with safety chains. Here's the wardrobe slide I was telling you about. This first door here is our two 30-pound propane tanks. And then this one right here is the other side of our pass-through. It's got my levelers and sewer hose holders, more levelers, power, water, fresh water hose up there, my sewer stuff. There's the sewer connection right there, hot water heater, outside shower, city and freshwater connections, and waste water tank, black tank flush. This is the kitchen slide. It does have an equalizer between the jacks, or between the axles. This has 50 amp service. It does have a spot for second air conditioning, but it does not have it installed. I have these stabilizer jacks. It has a rack on the back with a spare tire, satellite and TV connections. There's a ladder to get up on the walkable roof. It is got our camera from our old camper on there. So we'll go around and we'll go inside now. Let's see. The numbers on this are right there. It's 10,000 pound gross vehicle. Looks like axles are 5,200 apiece. Tires are 235/80 R16s. I do have tire pressure monitor that I'm going to be putting on the awning with awning lights. Speakers are lit up. It does have the no slam door, the solid steps. Has a climate package on it. There's the 303 RL. When you first walk in, it has the booth dinette, which was something I wanted because it's more sleeping space. The recliners, which have heat, light, and vibration. Or massage, not vibration. There's storage in here for the remotes, which, since Lil Man wants to play out in the backyard, I'm going to pause the TV. This has a jackknife sleeper sofa. I would have rather it had the trifold, but I wasn't going to complain too much. He was watching Wreck-It Ralph. That's DVD player. It's got a Furrion sound bar. It does not have the fireplace underneath, it's just got storage. I have the fan on in here and the fan on the air conditioner blowing because it's hot and I'm not plugged into a 30 amp service. I'm plugged in on my house. Got our DVDs sitting right there. Has a pantry right here. It does have storage above the TVs. It does have the LED accent lights on both sides. There's above storage right here. There's storage underneath this that folds down. It does have a residential style fridge, but it is 12 volt compressor. Right now it has some stuff because we're getting ready to go camping next weekend. We do have light up knobs, and then it also will light up the oven. It's got the 3 burner cooktop, microwave. It does have a single sink. I'm not going to lift that up because I've got stuff sitting in there that it's for washing dishes. Got the single door here. Got Walmart bags there. Got a little trash can down there. I use the Walmart bags for trash bags. Got 3 drawers here. Use silverware, pot and pan for when you mittens. The bottom one has nothing in it yet. There's another cabinet over here. Got some plates and stuff there. My son's helmet. A little B table. Got a little coffee bar. Has my coffee pot and all that stuff. Fuse panel. I've got a door dinger so I can know when my son comes in and out the door. 2 more deals on the side here. Got paper plates there. Got 2 outlets on one on each side here. There's storage down here underneath the dinette. The totes. It's all my son's toys on both sides. There's my motion light I was talking about. Has touchscreen. I turn off the accent lights, turn off the awning light, turn off the front cap. Go in here. There's my awning, I can roll it in. There's my slides, monitor panel, electric water heater on off, gas water heater on off, water pump on off. And home, it also will tell me what my gauges look like. And my thermostat, which I like over the digital stuff. Turn my motion light back on. My son didn't like it, kept kicking on and off. Bedroom area. There is storage underneath the bed. I'm not going to lift it up. Got closets on both sides. And here's where we have prepped for the second air conditioner. Just installed this TV today. Here's the wardrobe slide. There's dresser drawers right there. Don't mind the pillow. That's our linen closet. Got beach towels down there. Don't have anything in this one yet. Sink. And we got the medicine cabinet. Got a first aid kit there. Cabinet down here. It's got toiletries and stuff in it. Toilet paper holder. Here's the shower. Got the skylight above it. It does have a little fan with a vent. And we got another door. Oop. It only has the one awning on this. Doesn't have the awning on the other slide out. But that's pretty much our camper. Our brand new one. There's a drawer underneath the stove, drawer next to it. So it does have heated heaters, vents in the floor, of course air conditioner, vents in the ceiling. So I traded in our 2019 GulfStream for this. Had it a year and a half, and it was pretty much 2/3 of the way paid off, so I traded it in on this. Our 1988 one-ton crew cab dually. It has the 454 big block turbo 400 trans. There's the hitch. A lot of people say gas motor trucks can't pull fifth wheels, but this thing pulled it like a champ yesterday. So, but that's our 2021 KZ Sportsman 303 RL. Thank you.